Hey guys, I know it's been a while. So tomorrow I heard it's going to be snowstorming tomorrow, and I hope you all have a very, I hope you all stay warm, actually. That's my door. Who's at the door? Crap. Maybe the back door. Oh my goodness. Come in. Come in, everyone. Come in. Oh, thank you so much. I couldn't help it out there. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. We have to stay in here with you for tomorrow. I heard what's going to happen tomorrow. I hope it's going to be okay. So you guys can stay here, but I don't think there's literally no warmth in here, so we might have to try our best to stay warm. Awesome. So we wish you all a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Excuse me. I'm just gonna chill out here while everyone comes in. Boy! 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 It's me. Okay, it's time to get some food. Drinks? I don't know if we have any. I don't know if there's any food. I don't know if there's any food here. Yeah. So, yeah. It's going to be rain. It's going to be snowstorming tomorrow. Today's the 22nd. We'll be continuing on. I think we're continued on the 23rd. Maybe at night. Maybe the power could possibly go off. Yeah, that's why we're here. Because if we don't have any power, then that's not good. Yup, it's not good. Okay, shall we continue? Yeet! The next day. Hey guys, I woke up this morning and I found out that it was storming. Look at all the snow. Oh my goodness, this is so not cool. Well, it's kind of cool, but I hope you have a very good Christmas, and we will continue after this ad coming up. Oh, it's storming. Why is the power on? I don't know. I'm so scared. Everyone calm down. It's just the power went out. I'm so scared. I'm so scared of the dark. We're gonna have to live like cavemen. That's the only thing we're supposed to live like cavemen. Everyone, find some food immediately. Yay! Okay, everyone, let's find some food when the power isn't out. When the power is not out. Or out. Not even the refrigerator works. Let's see. Clearly no one has thrown away anything. Ugh. No one go in that cabinet. Yep. Okay, I'm searching for some food, like Ludwig said. And then, however, we can't use the refrigerator because the refrigerator doors. You didn't see anything. Okay. Yeah, so only those lights work. Those are the only lights that work. Ow! Cosmic brownies. I found one! I found some! Wait, you found some food? Yeah, I found one cosmic brownie. Whole? Half? A crumb? Whole. Yes! We're going to live! But it's the last one. No! Wait, maybe we can share it. Too late. I already ate it. Why did you eat it, Lemmy? Why? Because I was hungry. That last one was the size of a rat bite. We're gonna die here. No. Lemmy, I am sick. I'm kidding. We'll try to find some stuff. Okay, let's get some food. Oh! Ow. Oh, I think someone went into the freezer. You are so weak, Wendy. Right! The power works. We've been living. You've been turning off the power? On and off? Yeah. I am so mad at you, Roy. Ow! The power works. Wait, the power works? Wait, so that doesn't mean... It works! Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! Woo! We're gonna live! Merry Christmas, everyone, and a Happy New Year!